Hi everyone, I'm Rosie, and in this video I'm gonna explain you what recursion is. So first of all, let's look at a real life example. Assume you live in a healthy way and you go running every morning, and today you're gonna run for 10 kilometers, and the thing that is that you wanna know how long you run each kilometer. So you have to start your timer, run 1 kilometer, then start your timer again, run 1 kilometer, and so on until you reach the 10th kilometer. So in programming, you're gonna tell that you will have a function which will be starting your timer and running 1 kilometer, and you are doing it 10 times. So programmers just decided that they can make the function in the way that the function calls itself, so they can just write a function which will call itself and do the same thing for like 10 times or 100 times, as many times as they want. So in other words, recursion is a process when the function calls itself as many times as we want. So to understand it better, let's just write the running function in JavaScript. So we'll make a function, let it be running. We will give the number of kilometers that we're going to run. So what you are going to do is that, rather, the computer will tell you that you have to run the number of the kilometers that you have to run. These much kilometers, and it will tell you that, okay, start your timer. So now we are going to write the recursive step, and this step is just calling the same function inside the same function, but with one difference. As a value, we will give one less, because you have already run the first kilometer. So there are 9 more kilometers to run. So in first case, if you give 10 here, it will just tell you have to run 10 kilometers, start your timer, and it will call the same function for 9 kilometers. So it will just console log again, you have to run 9 kilometers, start your timer, and again for 8, for 7, and so on. And I think you understand that in that case, you will get an infinite loop. So you have to write a condition at which the function will stop. So the condition will just be that if kilometer equals to 0, it means that you have already run all 10 kilometers. You will just console log you have run the number that you have given, that much kilometers. So now let's just call this function for 10. We'll run it. So here we have, you have to run 10 kilometers, start your timer. You have to run, yeah, we forgot to return. So yeah, also we have to write return here, because in this case the function will never stop. It will just return, and it will go and do all these things too. So we have to write return, because only after return the function stops. So now let's run again. So here we will have, you have to run 10 kilometers, start your timer, 9 kilometers, and then you have to run 0 kilometers. So we can actually write here in this way too, without this. We can just write, you have already run or we can just write, you are done for today. Yeah. Run again. I will get you are done for today at the end. So this about recursion. In case of having any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.